Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. I hope you're having a great day so far because we are back at Costco, and today we're going to get all the ingredients that we need to build a charcuterie board. And so it's Saturday. It's a really nice day. It's a little warm. You can see my cheeks are a little red. And everyone, again, I hope you're having such a great weekend. Thank you so much for coming along to Costco with me today. As always, I'm always so appreciative of all your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's a small gesture, but it helps out my channel so much. All right, well, it's getting warm here in the car, so let's go inside and let's do some shopping. Now, one of the first items you need when you're making a charcuterie board is something to place it on. So this is the latest here from Costco, the Lazy Susan with the chalkboard edge. There are so many great uses to this. So not only for a charcuterie board, you can add any kind of food that you want to, because yes, it is definitely food safe. You have that chalkboard edge so you can label what your food is, or you can decorate it however you want to use it. It spins really nice. And 18 inches, that is definitely a good size. And the best part is the price, only $20. Now, I did purchase it a couple of weeks ago, so we already have it. Now, the next thing I need is bread. And here at the bakery, you're getting two good sizes for $5.99, the baguettes. Now, if I don't use both of them, I'll take one, slice it up, and then the other one I'll cut in thirds and then place that in the freezer. Now, when it comes to the cheese, Costco has a lot of options. This is on sale right now, so I'm definitely going to pick those up. Now, we're going to pick up the Dubliner cheese by Kerrygold. This one is so good, and Costco seriously has the best price, $6.99 per pound. This one, a little over $12, but look how much you get. That is absolutely worth it. If you price it at other stores, you're going to get more for your money here at Costco. Even the Boursin cheese. Now, I did pick it up recently when it was on sale. It's not on sale anymore, but you're still getting 3 of them for $10. That is a really good price. Now, of course, when it's on sale, it's even better, but at $9.99 for 3 of them, that's still a great deal. Now, the Kirkland goat cheese. I love this one. First of all, you get a lot of cheese for not that much money. If I could grab it. There are 2 of them here. They're over 10 ounces. It is nice and creamy. I like it. And the price, $7.69, worth it. Now, the brie. Now, I do go between Costco and another store when it comes to my brie, but today we're going to pick this one up here at Costco, $9.99 for over a pound. That's still a really good price. And there's a lot in there. The coastal cheese, now I'm not going to grab this one today, but that is another great option. $6.89 per pound, very good. Now, if you're wanting any kind of the dried meats, Costco really does have some great options. I don't place a lot of dried meats on my boards just because we don't eat that much, but that is a good selection. You're getting a lot here for $11.99. And even the minis, this is another good one because you have the meat wrapped up in the cheese. That is great, especially for company, $15.99. But this is the one I'm actually going to grab today. The prosciutto is one of my favorites. Oh, I just want one. So I'm going to grab this one today and then add this to my board. And this one is $11.99. Now I'm going to kind of go into the little produce area. I definitely want to grab some fruit. The strawberries are so good right now. And everyone is wanting to grab the strawberries. Look how good those look. And the price is actually really decent. 2 pounds for $4.29. And I'm going to grab some blackberries. Ooh, $1.79. I'm going to grab a couple of those. Wow, that is such a great price. Oh, and they look beautiful. Wow, what a great price. The blueberries, I'm going to grab some of these, and those are $5.99. Now, the cocktail cucumbers, these are really good. I just love the size of them. All you have to do is just wash them up and just slice them up. And those are $6.99. I was hoping to find some bell peppers, but I couldn't find them today. But that's okay. I'm going to grab some red seedless grapes. Look at the size of those. And those are $5.89. The hummus, This is the roasted pine nut hummus. This one is really good. And you get a lot. 34 ounces for $5.99. The carrots. Now these are organic. But this is not one. But you're getting 2 good sized packages. Wow. That's okay. I will eat those. Those are $4.99. Oh, that's a good price for 4 pounds. Now, I definitely need to stretch my legs. So I was like with the aisle, there's nobody. Uh-oh, there's people walking in. Okay, let's keep going. Cracker collection. 13 stacks. This was on sale with the last sale. So I already have a box at home, but $12.89. That's still a good price for as much as you get. There's a lot in here and you're getting 4 options. Now the praline pecans, these are always a winner. These are so good. You can snack on them, chop them up for salads. But 40 ounces for $13.99, that is a good price. Definitely gonna grab those. And our SoCal raw unfiltered honey. I'm gonna pick this up today. We go through a lot of honey in our home. 3 pounds. And that one is $13.49. All right, well, here is my little haul. I did make an effort to make the cart look somewhat nice. Normally, I just kind of throw them right in. Everything that you see here, we're going to take this home and we're going to put it together for our charcuterie board. And here we are. So the Lazy Susan that I already had, but I haven't used it yet, are crackers and mostly everything that you saw in the cart, but I'm so excited to use that. Now, of course, I'm not going to use all of the food, just a portion, because this is going to make a lot of snacks for this week, and I'm very excited. And there's some good stuff here. I did grab a couple of the blackberries. I have the other one still in the fridge. Well, let's move these and let's get started and put this fun board together because I know I'm getting hungry. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is, well, I place my fruit in there because I am going to wash it because I let it soak for 15 minutes, but I'm wanting to whip up the honey. And I saw that online, so I definitely want to try it out. I've never whipped honey before. So I got my KitchenAid out, and so I just poured a little bit. We're going to turn it on at the highest setting, and let's see how this goes. Okay. Now we're going to go on to our next item as well. I hope this is good. Well, the honey's good. I just hope it whips up really nice. Now, I am going to soak my fruit for about 15 minutes, and I use the vinegar and water solution. So 2 cups of vinegar, or actually 2 cups of water with 1 cup of vinegar and a little baking soda. Let those sit for about 15 minutes. Now, my vinegar does come from Costco. And so I have it going. I don't need to wash the carrots, but I do need to wash the cucumbers. So I think I'm going to add that to this. Just wash everything together. All right. Now my baking soda, I buy the large package from Costco. Now this one is just for the kitchen. I think I got this little container from Home Goods. It was like $3. But we're going to shake a little bit in here. I just kind of sprinkle it in. Of course, you get that reaction from the vinegar. All right, here we go. So we're going to set this aside for about 15 minutes. I just kind of stirred it up so all the bubbles kind of went away, but we'll let that soak. All right, I do need to clean this up because I haven't used it yet. I like that it comes with a chalk. That's actually really cool, but I'm not going to use the chalk today. All right, it's all cleaned up. I'm going to place this to the side. We're going to do some more prepping. This is kind of like the hard part. Now we're going to check on our honey. Oh, that's coming along really nice. It's really just getting everything together. Now you may recognize these are from Costco. I had 3. There is a smaller one. Where is it at? I would like to know. I'm gonna have to ask some questions around the house. Where's the other board? Well, let's cut our Dubliner. Now the rule with cheese is try not to touch it with your bare hands. So this is kind of how I slice it up. And I'm just going to slice up a few. because even though my hands are washed, like the bacteria from my hands on the cheese, it could cause the mold to grow a little faster. Even though we will eat this pretty fast, I'm just not touching it. So that's just kind of something that I've practiced at. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side because we have a lot of cheese. But this is the fun part of a charcuterie board, is all the options. Now my bread. So I'm only going to slice up one. The other one, this one, I'm going to slice in thirds. And I'm actually going to place it in the refrigerator. If I don't use it by tomorrow, I will place it in the freezer. Yeah, if you're not using it right away, just put it in the freezer. So I'm just going to slice this up. And this bread is really good. I really do like it from Costco. Sometimes when you get it, it can be really warm. It wasn't warm today, but I've already tested a piece and so far it's good. All right, I'm gonna finish slicing this up. So we have all our bread sliced up. I'm gonna place this to the side. And I'm going to slice up my cucumbers. I'm going to slice them up in 4s. And these have already been washed and dried. All right, I'm all done. And I had to try a couple, you know, just make sure everything is good. Now my carrots, I'm wanting to slice these up, and this is not the right knife. I know I'm not using the right knife. I used it on the cucumbers and it sliced them really easy, but of course this is a different texture. All right, I need a different knife. Okay. This is so much better. It cuts the carrots like butter. I know they're already small, but I'm just kind of making them a little bit smaller. Okay. There we go. All right, now my strawberries. I got this little device last year. I didn't get it from Costco, but I like it. I just kind of take the greens off, and then I take the little part off top. So I'm just going to slice these up. They smell really good. I did test it out, and it's the right sweetness. This is one of the reasons why it's my favorite time of year for strawberries. All right, I'm going to add my crackers. So I'm just only going to use 2 of them. And you are going to see that I am going to switch this board up a couple of times. It's just trying to get the flow of it. It's the first time I'm using it as well. And I'm going to add my French brie, just a couple of wedges. So you can see I've already moved my bread. Now this is my whipped honey. It's not as whipped as I thought it would be, but it still tastes good. I'm going to add my blackberries. I'm going to add my cucumbers and carrots. And so it's starting to come together. This is the fun part. My strawberries, throw them right in there. Now, my pecans. Oh, all right. Threw them right in here. And my goat cheese. This is so good. We have it right here. And of course, I had a sample. Yeah, so I have my bread with a little goat cheese and strawberries. Yum. Definitely recommend that one. This is so good. This is my favorite. The hummus. I'm going to add it right here. Okay, what else we need? Oh, our prosciutto. Now, I don't think I have room for this one. I'll use that on the next one, but that's okay. I've got a lot here. All right, almost. Okay, the laughing cow. My daughter really likes this one, so I'm going to add a couple of wedges. I'm going to place them right here. You can see I kind of moved the carrots. I have blueberries and, of course, my grapes. And here it is. It is all together. And I cannot wait to start eating it. And my family has been patiently waiting for me to finish this up. They are very excited. And everyone, thank you so much for coming along to Costco with me, shopping, and then coming home with me and putting this together. I really do appreciate all of you, and I hope you're having a great week. And again, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.